This is arbitrage trick that nobody will tell you. So it is crypto arbitrage trick where you trade your crypto arbitrage and you receive your assets direct to Binance account. Arbitrage trading is between two platforms, that is Ranquilly and Binance. But you buy low on Binance here. You can say I have 13 million. This one is 13 million, not at 13,000. The point is here. So this one is 13 million in Binance. Then you sell them at a higher price in Ranquilly. But when you are being paid direct to your Binance account. I hope you've got me right. You buy low on Binance, sell high on Ranquilly, but you are not paid in your Ranquilly account. You are paid direct to your Binance account. So what's the advantage of that? The advantage is you don't pay P2P fee. So the P2P fee is being deducted direct, but in withdrawal, no P2P fee. So let me show you how that works. So you must have capital, you must have a centralized platform like Binance, Bybit, OKX, or any other platform where you buy your assets via P2P. All right? You know right now on how to buy your assets via P2P. You use your Binance. So for instance, let's use Binance to fund your Ranquilly. So you come on deposit, you click on USDT or BTC, you fund your Ranquilly. You continue, you enter amount like 5,000, you click continue, you copy the address, you fund your Ranquilly. After funding your Ranquilly, now it's when you start selling your assets at a higher price. Remember, if you buy USDT at a rate of 1.0 or BTC at a rate of 1.0, you sell it here at a rate of 1.2. So that 0.2 times your capital, like a 2,000, is your profit. So in 2,000, you make around 200 USDTs profit in arbitrage trading. I think this is the video that I have explained arbitrage trading in the best way that a beginner can understand. So let's do it. After funding your Ranquilly, come click on P2P arbitrage. Then we'll do a tutorial on USDT. So we'll sell with let's say a rate of 1.14. I'll just enter amount 1,000. I'm not poor. We are trading with 1,000 and above. We started with 10. Actually, you can go watch my videos. We grew. Right now we are holding millions. So after that, you can choose to receive in your internal wallet. Arbitrage, you receive in your internal wallet, or arbitrage, you receive in your external wallet. Which external wallet is Binance, OKX, Mexic, Bybit, Kraken? You can see all them here. So I'll choose to receive in my Binance wallet. Then I paste my Binance deposit address for TRC20. I hope you get that. Then I'll give you the rate. You can see here I traded with 1,000 USDTs. Then I could have been receiving 1,140. So 140 is my take profit. But yet there is P2P fee. I won't lie to you that there is arbitrage that has no P2P fee, but you are being deducted in your profits. You can check it here. After that, I'll receive 1,117 in my Binance account. So let's do small amount. Let's do like 100. We receive 111.72. Let's do 200. I am trying to show you that the more the capital, the more the profit. Will get 200 to 223.44. So there is somebody who will say it only works for 1,000 USDTs, it only works for 10,000 USDTs. Let's do with this 200 today and see if we won't receive our assets in our Binance. So I click continue. The trade is running. It will go for around 30 minutes. You can check it here, around 30 minutes. So this is the sender's address, this is my address, the receivers, and it is for Binance. So let's wait for the like 5 minutes, 10, then we check. If they pay me, I'll come and show you here. Check the time right now so that we can see how long it will take for me to be paid. So let's wait. That's how arbitrage works. It is the best arbitrage that we'll never ever get. So let's wait. Okay guys, after waiting, my trade has been paid and I have confirmed. Before you release, confirm in Binance. You can go check at the start of the video the balance that was there. It was 13,007,000. Now we have 13,036,000. 13,036,000. You can see what we've been paid. It is here in the PNL. So it was 244, 223.44. that is Binance notification. I just come and click on release. I release my crypto and I get my payment. That's how it works. That's how arbitrage works. That's how you get these shortcuts and make profits. So from now henceforth, you can trade with the bots or you can trade crypto arbitrage trading that way. And I made a withdrawal here. Let me show you my withdrawal history. It was over 7,000. It is a weekend. 8,777. You can check the date. So guys, be serious on your trading. Be serious on your trading. It will save you. Start now. Make profits with arbitrage trading.